Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be testing the torque anywhere from, we're going to be testing it from 150 to 250. See if this Bauer battery operated tool can remove those torques. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Yeah, we need, unfortunately YouTube rates us like that for the likes and the subscribers. So if you want me to make some more videos like this, buy some more tools, feel free to help out the channel and subscribe. Yeah, I just wanted to make this video because last time I didn't have a torque wrench more than 150 pounds, and now I do have a torque wrench that somebody let me borrow, so we can go up to 250 pounds. If you want to check out that video, I'll see if I can link it up above. Be sure to watch that video before you watch this one, because that one's 50 to 150 foot-pounds of torque, and this one starts at 150 as we are starting now. We're starting out with 150, and we're going to be going up to 250 pounds. See if this Bauer can remove up to 250 pounds of foot of torque, or breakaway torque, however you want to call it. We're going to start with 150, and as the tool, as you guys see it did break that away. My keys did fall on the back, so it does create a lot of vibration on the truck. On the winch, it's only the only place that I could think about of doing this without damaging the lug nuts and stuff of the vehicle. If I damage that that hitch, then I can just pretty much buy a new one, or just replace it, cut it off or whatnot, and then just replace it with a new one. That's why I just decided to do it on the hitch. And we're gonna go up to 180 pounds, as you guys see there. So 180 pounds, we're gonna be torquing this nut there. And once you get to 180 pounds, you're pretty much it's not a lug nut, it's not something like that, because most of the vehicles are 150 pounds. Half-ton vehicles are usually 150 pounds, 140 pounds. Regular passenger vehicles are like 100 pounds, 90 pounds foot of torque. So once you cross the limit above 150, as you can see there, it did take it off, no problem. Yeah, once you get more than 150, you're moving to a 3/4 ton to a 1 ton vehicle, or one heavy duty truck. And then, if you're going above 180, you're probably just going to semi, or just pretty much a big diesel semi truck or something like that. But yeah, you're on this one, we're going to be going to 200 pounds. So you guys see there. Sorry, my camera's not the best, obviously. But if you guys want to stop it and zoom in, or want to look at those numbers. But yeah, this Icon torque wrench, it's pretty legible there. You guys could see it. You guys press pause, and as you can see, it's taking some force already with 200 pounds of torque. So let's put the socket, and this is a Pittsburgh impact socket with an impact adapter. It's a 1-inch socket to half an inch. And as you guys did see, it did take it off. I just didn't take it off all the way because I just didn't want to put it back. So I just loosen it up a little bit and see that it did turn that way, and we'll just move on to the next one. So we're gonna be going up to 220 pounds. So this is the type of pounds that pretty much, like I said, you're gonna see this mostly in heavy duty trucks, not in regular passenger vehicles. So this is way up above a passenger vehicle, or a light duty truck, a half-an-inch truck. And that is the torque. That's 220 pounds. Let's see if the Bauer can do 220 pounds. That is a big socket, by the way. You guys could tell. I know it doesn't look that big on camera. Same thing with that gun. That thing's huge and heavy. And the best way to do a high torque impact with these guns is to grab with both hands very firmly, just to see the dust from the hitch there. But yeah, the best way to do it is grab, and it just did it right now. It just removed it. I just didn't remove it all the way. And we're going to be going up to 250 pounds. So that is maximum for this torque wrench. And that is going to take a lot of force. So you guys are going to see me try to pull really hard on this, trying to get it to 250 pounds. And you guys are going to see the truck moving there, and as you guys see there, that's a lot of force. And I didn't have enough force, so I tried to get some leverage there with my foot. It kept sliding off, but I did get it up and it clicked. So we're right at 250 pounds now. As you guys heard it click. So 250 pounds. We'll see if this gun will do 250 pounds, which it's a lot. Trust me, it is a lot, especially for a power tool. So we'll go ahead and try it out. Yep, it did it, no problem. So you know that this tool, the Bauer, can do more than 250 pounds. Please don't forget to subscribe. Help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, so we can buy more tools and make more videos like this. So thank you guys for watching.